Everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're going to take a closer look at our 2021 Ram 2500 Laramie. With just over 24,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature a 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is four-wheel drive. It also has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front of this heavy-duty pickup truck, you will find it well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights with fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front tow hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this Ram 2500, you will find it well equipped with turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap, passive door entry, and fixed running boards. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a lot of nice elements including leather, suede, and faux wood grain with a touch of brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this Laramie. Once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by leather seats, both heated in the front, and you will have power adjustable options on both the passenger and driver side. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the front tires are 10/32 and the rears are at 12s. And as you can see, the brake pads are brand new as well. Along with everything else, it is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to be kept comfortable by a flow-through center console, USB and USB-C charging with a 115 outlet. And we also have a fold-down armrest with cup holders. And underneath the seats, you will see you do have a fold-out utility surface as well. So we just go ahead and put those legs out, and you have one continuous utility surface. And making our way to the rear of this Laramie, you will notice it is equipped with LED tail lights, high definition rear camera, and all of your towing equipment, including your 4 and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. You also have rear proximity sensors, and if we look in the bed here, you will see it is prepped for fifth wheel, nice spray in the bed liner. And you also have your fifth wheel wiring and your 115. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered windows, powered door locks, and power adjustable mirrors, and that does include power folding. To the left of the steering wheel, you will notice a general lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster and the ambient lighting. And as you can see here, this Ram is also equipped with adjustable powered foot pedals. Here at All Things Automotive, you will have 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just over 24,000 miles on this Ram Laramie. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a selector for that center screen, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free, and that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your smartphone integration. Checking out to the right here, you will have your cruise control settings and your manual gear select. Let's go ahead and take a look at the center display and infotainment system here. But first up top, you will notice you do have some storage and a 12-volt output. Nice large touchscreen display here, complete with full climate control, as you can see. And that's going to include your heated front seats and your heated steering wheel. And of course, this Ram is equipped with your high definition rear camera with your towing and guidance lines. And as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, and Sirius XM and Bluetooth connectivity. Again, that goes back to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Down below, you have some simple radio controls, and you'll have some hard buttons here for your heated seats and your heated wheel right at the touch of your fingertips. And you will have some automatic climate controls here as well. Down below, you will notice you do have an integrated trailer brake control, accompanied by an exhaust brake, tow haul mode, and then right here you can turn your proximity sensors on and off. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. And to the left, you will have your 4-wheel drive selector, and down below you'll have some nice storage. And as far as charging is concerned, you'll have USB and USB-C, and you'll also have that auxiliary for alternative audio sources. In the middle, you'll have a couple options here. You'll have a nice armrest and deep center storage console with beverage holders, or you'll have that middle rider here, and underneath you'll have some additional storage as well. Bringing our attention up top, this Laramie is equipped with integrated garage door openers. You can see you can program up to 3. And then right here you'll have your bright LED map lights, and then controls for your power rear sliding glass. And And under the hood, you have your 6.7-liter diesel engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram 2500 Laramie. Keep in mind that as a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, minimal stone chipping, but you will have some blemishes here, as you can see, some paint chips. Your chrome grille is in good shape. Your billet style grille here also in good shape. I did want to mention your headlights are very clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, and no fading. Fog lights are in good shape. Trim pieces around that. Those fog lights are in good shape as well. Some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the lower end of that split grille, but your tow hooks do not look like they were used. Let's go ahead and take a look at this passenger side fog light around this proximity sensors. Looks like there was some damage there, as you can see. Otherwise, no damage to the fog light, but I did want to point that out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheel and tire setup here. No curb rash, but you will have some wear and tear on that wheel. All your badging is in good shape, no chipping, no fading. Taking a look at your mirror cap, your trim pieces are in good shape, no discoloration, no fading, and your chrome trim around that mirror cap is in really good shape. Let's take a look behind the door handles. You will have some scuffs here, as you can see, and some paint chips. So let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger side door. As you can see, all the trim pieces are in really good shape. Your nice suede material here is in good shape, and no rips or stains or anything like that. Let's take a look at the glove box here. You will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the glove box. Let's take a closer look at these nice leather bolstered seats here. Really good shape, no rips or tears. There are some minor spots here on the headliner and on the visors here. As you can see, let me zoom in on that. On the driver's side visor, you're going to have some discoloration. Other than that, really good shape. Carbon floor mats are in good shape, very clean, and no odors. No smoke odors, super important here at All Things Automotive. I see a small paint chip here on the rear passenger door. And looking inside on this door card, everything checks out really nice. And a small discoloration right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at these back seats. As you can see, it is trimmed with leather gray piping all the way around, and that that suede material, really comfortable. Looks like a small blemish there on the seat. Otherwise, very good shape, and the headliner is clear back here. All the way down to your carpeted floor mats, everything is clean. No scuffs on the back of the seat. Let's go ahead and make our way around to the bed. On the top of the tailgate here on the bed rail, you will see some scarring from cargo going in and out. Again, you do have your fifth wheel prep, so this truck was used. And you will have some scarring here on the top of the tailgate as well. All your chrome badging is in good shape. And no dents or dings in that rear bumper, so everything looks good. Your tail lights are clear, no cracks, no condensation buildup, no hazing, no fading, so those bright LEDs can shine through. No curb rash on that. We're at the driver's side at the rear here. And then moving along, you will have some paint chips here on the bed side. I see 1, 2, and some speckles here, as you can see. Taking a look down at your running boards, really good shape, no discoloration or anything like that. Not perfect, but they are in good shape. You will have some scuffs here behind the door handles and some paint chips as well. Moving along, did want to mention your trim pieces on your outer door are in good shape. Some scuffs here behind the driver door handle. There was one other spot here above your rear sliding glass. There's going to be a trim piece that's going to be warping right there, kind of bubbling. So I did want to mention that will be right there on top of the rear sliding glass. Ending up at our driver door mirror cap, as you can see, glass-like finish. Really nice on the moldings around there. If you have any questions, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this vehicle does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.